Good morning, dear children. Children, I hope you all are fine and you are safe at home. Children, as you know, a special day is coming. Yes, can you guess? Mother's Day. Children, happy Mother's Day to all of you. Children, you know, mother is the most important person in our life. So we should respect our mother because she takes care of all family members. Children, today we are going to do an activity for Mother's Day. You should give a special gift to your mother. So are you ready to learn? We will make today a photo frame. Children, you can take any kind of waste material you are having at your home. No need to go outside. You can take any small buttons, fancy tapes, ribbons. If you are having straws, any decorating material, thermocol, beads, wool beads, anything you can paste on your photo frame. Let's start our activity. So children, let's start our activity. We will make a photo frame. For this activity, we need a cardboard, any cardboard you are having at home, glaze paper or any paper. If you are having glue, gum. Children, for decoration, we can take any kind of material, waste material you are having at home, any kind of material like glitter powder if you are having, these thermocol balls, ribbon, any kind of wool balls, flowers, these kind of stars, and one cutter. Now start. First of all, we will take a cardboard. Children, for photo frame you have to check the size of you are having photo. Then you will take a measurement of the photo. According to the photo, first of all you will put a photo here. Then you have to mark an outline of the photo. With the help of your father or any elder brother, sister, you will cut the marked portion. It will be like this. And now you have to take any kind of material, paper, if you are having at home. First of all, we will now put here some glue to paste the paper. Now we have pasted here at the back, the underside of the cardboard, gum, and you will turn on the paper. Inside I have put here glue gum and you will turn it on the paper. Now on this side we will paste again glue. Now you have to fold this side paper here. I have put here some glue. The other side paper we will fold here. Now we will fold here this part and the other part we will fold here. Where the extra part is here, you can put some more glue. Children, now for this white part, you have to put here a line, see, and one at the opposite side, like this. It is like a cross. Now we will cut this part. Now I have cut these 4 parts. See, where I had put the cross, here we will cut these 4 parts. Now one by one we will fold here. The extra part we will cut with the scissor. The extra part we will, at the inside part we will put here some glue to fold it here. On other part we will do the same. We will put here some glue and we will fold it here. On the next part we will fold it here and paste it. Where it is not pasted properly, we will put some glue again. Now our base is ready. See, it is the back side. Let's start decoration. It's your choice how you want to decorate it. I am having this kind of material, so I will put some dots here to paste these. I am having some straws. See, you can paste here. Now we will paste here these wool balls. If you are having wool at home, you can make any flower with the help of wool. Children, you can paste anything, any kind of material. Like if you are having any old pencils, you can use pencils. You can use old CDs. Cut the CDs and you can decorate any kind of material. Old buttons, extra buttons if you are having at home. See, I have pasted here wool cotton balls. Here we have pasted these thermocol balls. Here I have pasted some straws. You have to cut the extra part of the straw. And now we can paste here these kind of stars, glitters. Children, now see, I have put a photo under here. It will look like this. This is the photo frame. If you are having any flower, it's your choice. You can paste here. Otherwise, it will look very nice. Children, any kind of waste material, any kind of decoration material you can use for this photo frame. So this activity is for your Mother's Day celebration. You can paste here your mother's photo and you can gift on Mother's Day celebration. So children, enjoy this activity, enjoy your Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day all of you.